Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can make a slow motion video in CapCut so smooth. So tap on your project and select your video you want to edit, and here I already have one video and how to make a slow motion video, but you can see the original video like so. And I'm going to split the clip before. So in this section, just click edit and split, and in this section again, split and select the middle clip and go to speed, and you can select normal or curve, but I want to select normal speed and just going to swipe to the left for the slower, and you can swipe to the right for the faster. So I'm going to make slow motion, just swipe to the left, can change the result before. So how to make smoother? Just click on the make it smoother for the better quality. So just click check mark and waiting for applying a smooth slow motion, so you can make your video shorter to reduce processing time. So please just wait. So here we go. So it's so smooth, I think. Okay, that's how to make a slow motion video in CapCut Smooth. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.